In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze YouTube video link with Gumloop. By the end, you'll have a simple flow that takes a YouTube link, pulls the video data, runs an AI analysis, and shows clear results you can use right away. Start by heading to the Gumloop homepage and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the dashboard and choose the option to create a new flow. This opens the visual builder where everything happens. On the left side of the builder, you'll see a panel with building blocks. Click the plus icon to add your first block, then choose Input. From the input options, select Interface Input. This creates a field your flow users can type into later. Give this input a clear name so it's easy to recognize during setup and when you share the flow. Name it YouTube Video URL. For best results, paste the full link to a public video. You can also add a helpful placeholder like https youtube.com so people know exactly what to provide. With the input ready, move back to the left panel and open the Extract Data section. Add the YouTube Data Extraction node to your canvas. This node is designed to fetch details like the title, description, and, when available, the transcript. Connect the input field to the extractor's URL field so it always uses whatever link a user provides. If the extractor lets you choose which parts to fetch, select the items you'll want to analyze, such as the transcript for deeper insights. A quick tip: if a video has no transcript or it's very long, the extractor may return partial text. That's normal and still useful for analysis. Next, add an AI analysis node. This is where you'll turn raw video data into insights. Point the AI node to the output of the YouTube extractor. In the prompt area, be explicit about what you want. For example, ask for a concise summary, key topics, and takeaways grounded in the transcript and metadata. Keep the instructions clear and factual to reduce hallucinations. If you see model settings, a balanced temperature is a good default for accuracy. Once your analysis is configured, it's time to show the outcome. Add a results or display block and connect the AI node's output to it. Now you can run the flow, paste a YouTube link, and view the summarized insights in one place. Save your work and you're ready to reuse or share the flow whenever you need fast, reliable video analysis.